they're the same. So, oh yeah, Leon first.
You need the light on here?
Nope.
Oh, that's so cute.
Wanna try it on him?
Sure.
I'm gonna go with handmade.
Yeah, looks like it.
Okay, sweetheart. Okay, sweetheart. Okay. It's okay. Oh, that's okay.
Doesn't want to go. I'll try it later. Angry. Alright, and then go at the same time. Ooh. That's so cool. Markers. Cool. Thank you. Thank you, Rachel.
What is it?
And Chris. They're whiteboarders things.
Oh, how
But
beautiful.
green and black.
It's what, honey?
What's the chalkboard? Ah, that's so cool. Thank you. Thank you. Love you. Love you.
Hi, Rachel. Alright, so they opened the gifts. They like them a lot. I didn't get the Skype. This is the only time I had to with the kids here. But and Logan opened his. I didn't realize the Skype part. I didn't know there was a Skype thing. So Logan likes his. Logan's at his mom's right now, and Leon's not very happy. So I'll cut this off. But they really like the dream boards a lot. So, anything else? Oh, all right. We all love you.
Love you. Love you. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Rachel. Bye, Chris.
Bye, Chris. Bye, Rachel.